Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects many drivers: suspension noises. If you've been hearing strange sounds when driving over bumps or rough roads, you might have a suspension issue. Common suspension noises: clunking sounds. Clunking sounds when you go over bumps often indicate worn-out bushings or strut mounts. These components help absorb shock, and when they wear out, they can't do their job effectively. Squeaking or creaking noises are usually a sign of dry or damaged components, such as control arms or sway bar links. Lubrication or replacement might be necessary. Grinding noise: if you hear a grinding noise, it could mean that your shock absorbers are failing or that there's an issue with the ball joints. This needs immediate attention, as it can affect your safety. Diagnosing the problem: visual inspection. Start with a visual inspection. Look for any obvious signs of wear or damage, like cracks in rubber components or leaking fluids from shock absorbers. Bounce test. Next, perform a bounce test. Push down on each corner of the car. If it bounces more than twice after you release it, your shocks may be worn out. Listen while driving. Finally, take a short drive. Pay attention to when the noises occur. Do they happen when you hit bumps, turn, or accelerate? This can help pinpoint the issue. Solutions: worn bushings. If it's worn bushings or mounts, replacing them can dramatically improve ride quality and eliminate noise. Lubrication: for squeaking noises, applying lubricant to the affected parts can sometimes solve the problem. Just be sure to use the right type of lubricant for your suspension components. Replace shocks or struts. If your shocks or struts are the issue, replacing them is the best solution. This will not only eliminate noise but also improve handling and safety. That's it for today's video on diagnosing suspension noises. If you're experiencing any of these issues, don't wait too long to address them. Suspension problems can lead to more severe issues down the line. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more car tips, and leave a comment below with your experiences. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.